In this video, I'm going to be flocking a dashboard with a 3D printed custom logo installed. Stay tuned. Alright YouTube, welcome back to the channel. Got a little bit of a job on now for a customer, just some usual flocking. There's a GT86 dashboard. It's pretty basic really, he's chopped it down, a few cutouts for the roll cage. Needs a little bit of repair where he's done the airbag. Just going to smooth all this out, and he wanted me to put the GT86 logo on here. So I'm going to 3D print that. Well, I'm going to draw it up first in the CAD package, then model it up, get it printed, bond it onto here. Obviously I have to prep this area, and then get it flocked in the nice anthracite colour that we do, and that'll be a very, very quick job ready to go out. So without further ado, let's get on with it. Tidy. Surface all prepped now, just got rid of some of the high spots that were on it, just smoothed in around the edge as well, just to make it a bit more presentable. So that's a nice surface now, that's ready to get the logo modelled up and printed. So let's get up to the office and let's get the CAD software out. That's the logo all printed now, got great detail on it. So let's get back downstairs into the workshop and get this bonded onto the dash. So the dashboard's been curing overnight. The glue's gone off perfectly now. So what's left to do is just get some sandpaper, just remove some of the excess adhesive around the edges, then use the air gun to blow off any of the excess dust, and give it a nice good clean, get some acetone on there because that'll help dissolve any sort of interior cleaners that have been on there, which will have some sort of like, they sometimes have silicone deposits which will react with the epoxy resin. So we'll get that all cleaned up, then straight into the booth and we can get some flock on it and see how it looks. So let's get on with that. Right, so these are the bits that need to be flocked. These are rigid plastic, so these are going to be just hand sanded, and then we'll put the primer on them, and then these will be ready for flocking. So let's get these prepped and ready. Right, so that's the dash all fully cured now. I've just pushed it back together. It's not screwed back together, just assembled, just to give you an idea how it looks when it's all done. The logo's turned out great, really happy with that. And I've left the demister vents unflocked because I think when if you don't have, you can have too much flock in my opinion. And when you've got bits of black plaster like this, it just helps make the contrast makes the flock pop out a little bit better. It just makes it look a bit nicer. But I've got a lovely finish now, nice and even coating, no patchiness. And like I say, the logo, yeah, that's come out a treat. But yeah, so hope you like the video and the content, and if you have, please consider like, sharing, and subscribing. And if you're already subscribed, hit the bell icon to be notified when I upload more content. If you want more of the same or something different, please comment below and I'll see what I can do. But thanks very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video, so stay safe. Ta-da. bye.